Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I wanted to take you guys along with me to Burlington. I actually haven't been to Burlington in almost, I think it's been 2 months, you guys, since I've been to Burlington. But I usually don't shop there as much because I always don't find a lot of things there. And when I do, it's kind of like the same exact things. So it'll be pretty interesting to know what other items they have there. I will be going to one very close to me by TJ Maxx and to Marshall's. And maybe we'll go to a second Burlington. I'm not sure yet. We will see where our day takes us. But it is a little bit of a gloomy day outside. Honestly, like I really don't even want to go out and shop, but I haven't posted you guys a shopping video, so I kind of wanted to post this for you guys. And if you guys want to follow me along, make sure that you stay tuned, make sure that you subscribe, make sure you comment, like this video if you do like it, and then I'll see you guys there. Alright, we're here at Burlington. Let's check it out, see what they have there. Alright, we have arrived at the makeup section, and let's see in our section what they have. Okay, so it looks like they have a couple of things. OMG, Anastasia Lip Gloss by Beverly Hills. They have it in 3 colors, papaya. They also have it in melon, and what is this other one? Yeah, so melon and papaya, and these are going for $7.99 at Burlington. That's awesome, you guys. OMG. I have never seen Anastasia Beverly Hills at Burlington. What? That's like really unbelievable. Alright, so now let's see, what else do they have here? So here they have this Katy Perry eyelashes. These are for $1.99, and they have a few of them back there. And they have also some CoverGirl lipsticks, Outlast All Day lip colors. And then over here in this section is where the palettes are at. As you can see, they have really cute palettes from Beauty Treats. They also have from Studio Pro by ABH Cosmetics. This one's a contour palette, and it is for, let's see, this is for $7.99. And then there's also like this palette over here, which kind of reminds me of the Naked palette, and then from Urban Decay. And then there's also Paris Hilton Girl Support Girl Sunkissed Glow Kit, and this is how it looks like. And then let's see, they have Ellen Tracy there. They have Radiant Color Workshop. I don't know what this is, but I guess it's a blush palette. And then on this section, it looks like they have Nude Lips 28 color lipstick palette from BH Cosmetics. And then they also have some BB palettes. They also have this Maybelline Master Camo color correcting kit. And these are actually for $7.99, so that's a pretty good deal. And then they also have some Beauty Treats like glitters, also Girl Power by Paris Hilton. This one is Rose Glow Kits. They also have, you guys, this BH Cosmetics Contour and Blush Kit, and this one is actually for $5.99. Pretty awesome. They have some like brushes. They have this BB Precision Blending Oval Brush Sets. They also have the Jasmine LaBelle Cosmetics brushes. Alright, so on this section, it looks like they have a couple things. They have the Master Strobing Liquid by Maybelline for $3.99, and this one's in Deep Gold. They only have it in deep gold, but they also have this Sculpting and Blend 10-piece brush set by BH Cosmetics. They also have some Profusion Conceal Glow Glitter and Gold. And these are actually for $7.99. They have blush and bronzer as well, and these are for $7.99 as well. And they have the contour brushes and also contour profusion kit. These are for $7.99 as well. It's pretty cool. And then I think that's it. That's all they have here. Okay, you guys, so we are here in this section. This is the sunglasses section, and I quickly wanted to show you guys that I've never seen QUAY sunglasses at Burlington, but they actually have it here, and they have this one which is really cute for $14.99. I usually see the QUAY sunglasses at TJ Maxx and Marshalls, and never at Burlington, so it's pretty awesome that we actually were able to find it. And just keep a lookout for it if you guys do see it. So now we know that Burlington also carry QUAY sunglasses. Usually, like a lot of the QUAY brand sunglasses will have the logo here at the corner of the sunglasses, so you know that it is from the QUAY brand. So that's how sometimes I can spot the QUAY sunglasses right away. Alright, you guys, we're actually here in Burlington. This one's actually in East Brunswick, and let's just go check it out and see what we can find in there. Alright, we're here. Let's look at the sunglasses first. Let's see if we can find any shades, any like sunglasses from QUAY that we found in the last Burlington. Let's see. I see Rampage here, which is pretty cool. I see Steve Madden. I see some Jessica Simpson. I see some other brand. I don't see the QUAY brand. I see Rockaware. Let's see. Okay, so I guess, yeah, there's no QUAY sunglasses here. Let's keep going. Now let's go to the makeup section. Alright guys, so we're here in the makeup section of Burlington, and oh my god, it's such a mess everywhere. But alright, so I found this ABH Cosmetics Dual Effect Wet Dry Eyeshadow, and it's for $7.99, and it looks like it comes to all these colors, which is really pretty, like warm neutral colors. And yeah, that's one of them that I found. Okay, they have this City Color Collection Cream Correct and Conceal. It comes with also with a beauty blender. This is for $3.99. They have this lippy from Paris Hilton. This is really cute. Some lip glosses. And let's see, what is this? This is a Wet n Wild Hot Eye Collection glitter, and also mascara and brush. This is going for $3.99 here. And then they also have this ABH Cosmetics Night Fall 12 color eyeshadow palette for $5.99, and it comes with these colors. Really cute. They also have this brush set, which is empty. And then over here they have some Pure Quick Pro palettes, portable palettes. These are for $6.99. They also have this NYX Define powder foundation for $3.99. This one I think is in the shade Golden, and then this other one I think it's in the shade Sand. So these are powder foundations. They also have the LA setting spray. They also have this Japanesque Radiant Primer and Liquid Light. What is this? I guess these are primers for the eyes. They also have, let's see, some lippies. They also have some Nicole Miller New York eyeshadow palettes. They have some ABH Cosmetics Perfect and Conceal. They have the Gigi Hadid Maybelline New York. These are the little quads for $2.99. And they also have one here, these palettes from ABH Cosmetics. This is the BU by Bubs Beauty, and it's pretty cool that they actually have this. Okay, so I wanted to show you the ABH Cosmetics B by Bubs Beauty palette. This is really pretty. I actually own this, and look at the colors. The only thing is that this one's broken, so definitely will not buy that. But look at the colors, you guys. It's so cute. Definitely create like different looks with this, because it has even like a little purple color there, perfect for like, creating like nice summer colors. But you can also create like fall colors or neutral colors with this. Pretty awesome. So I just wanted to let you guys know. This actually was selling back then. Bubs Beauty is actually a YouTuber, so if you guys know her, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, this is the palette. Also have the e.l.f. Cosmetics eyeshadow palette there. These that come in different colors. I think that these are for $3.99, you guys, and it comes with all these other shades. That's a palette right there. I have also some glitter palettes. They have some purchase here from Juicy Couture. They have the Strobe and Sculpt City Color Collection. Alright, so far we've been finding a couple of things that are new. So they do have some e.l.f. stuff up there. They have the moisturizing lipstick by e.l.f. and these are for $1.99. They also have it in the shade Red Bordeaux and also in the shade Flirty and Fabulous. And then up here they also have the e.l.f. lip tints, Dewy Berry, and also some EOS lip balms up there as well. As you can see, they also have some Sally Hansen nail art kits. They also have some beauty blenders. They have some polishes. Oh, they have the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume. This used to be like my favorite mascara back in the days. I used to love this mascara a while ago, and it's for $3.99 here. Talking about nail polish, you guys, look, I found the Big Apple by OPI. This is a very good color. I love this color by OPI. It's for $3.99. It's like perfect for Christmas time. So if you do see this, definitely pick it up. I really like that color. And let's see. Ooh, look at this, you guys. This is the Paris Hilton Girls Gonna Be Girls 5-piece Diamond Lust Lip Gloss Kit. And I love the packaging. It's really cute, like almost like a princess vibe type of look. And this is for, let's see, how much is this for? I don't think it has a price, you guys. No, it doesn't have a price. They must have forgotten to actually put a price in this. But that's that. And yeah, so far so good. So far we've been finding a lot. There are also some lippies from BB. Also some lippies from different companies, different brands. Also a lippy collection here from Nicole Miller. You see all these colors. Ooh, it has like some fall colors and a lot of nude colors as well. These are for $4.99. And then they also have this Effortless Nudes by Bonita. These are Angel Dust, Smoky Nude, and Penelope. And these are for $5.99. Alright, and then coming over here, you guys, there are just a couple things. I found this Real Techniques retractable lip brush, and this one is for $1.99. And so guys, I am back in my car, and oh my god, we found some cool items I would think at Burlington, right? I didn't buy a lot of things because I honestly wanted to save my money too, because I've been shopping a lot lately, you guys. It's been like a month and I feel like I've shopped like so much. Even like little items here and there really add up, you guys. So I really didn't get much anything at Burlington because honestly, even though there were a lot of cool items that we found, I just didn't want to like buy more items, more makeup, because I already have so much. Which reminds me, you guys, my room, makeup room, looks like chaos right now. I have to actually go home, organize my things, and just fix everything because everything looks so crazy. But I wanted to take you guys along with me shopping just so we can see what we can find, because I know some of you guys actually were interested to know what kind of items they have at Burlington, and I haven't been there in a while. So it was pretty interesting to see that we did find a couple products that I haven't seen there before. So anyways, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Like always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure that you hit your notification bell as well. And with that being said, I think that's pretty much it for today. I hope that you guys enjoy. Make sure you stay tuned for the next video, because I will be posting, I think, another makeup tutorial using some products that I found recently at TJ Maxx and at Marshall's. So keep a lookout for that video coming up, and I'll see you guys on my next one. And happy shopping. Hey loves, thanks for watching and subscribing to my channel. In the meantime, make sure you check out these videos down below. They're awesome, and I will see you guys on my next video. Besos.